to be addressing you today on the momentous occasion of the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of Patrick Roy Class 2 School, Class 12 School. Sabko Namaskar. As we gather today to commemorate this remarkable milestone, I am reminded of the school's rich history, which spans over 7 decades, established in 1951. Patrick Class 12 School has been a beacon of knowledge and excellence, shaping the minds of countless students who have passed through its portals. Today, we celebrate not only the school's achievements, but also its unwavering commitment to providing quality education to the students of Tripura. As we look to the future, I am confident that Patrick Roy Class 12 School will continue to soar to greater heights, empowering its students to become active contributors to our society. As we mark this significant occasion, I would like to emphasize the importance of education in shaping the future of our nation. It is through institutions like Patrick Roy Class 12 School that we can foster a culture of innovation, creativity, and critical thinking. To the students, I urge you to seize every opportunity that comes your way, to explore your passion and to strive for excellence in all that you do. Remember that education is not merely about acquiring knowledge, but also about developing the skills, values, and character that will serve you well throughout your life. To the faculty members, I express my deepest gratitude for your tireless efforts in shaping the minds of your students. Your dedication, expertise, and commitment to excellence are the pillars upon which the institution stands. As we celebrate this Platinum Jubilee, let us also acknowledge the support and guidance of the Honorable Minister, Fisheries, Social Welfare, ARDD, Government of Tripura, who has graciously joined today with us. As you stand at the threshold of this critical juncture in your academic journey, I want to emphasize the significance of the choices you make and the path you choose to pursue. Your education is the foundation upon your future is built. The choices you make now will determine the opportunities that come your way. I urge you to focus on developing skills that are in demand, to explore new avenues, and to stay adaptable in ever-changing world. As you look to the future, remember that employment opportunities are vast and varied. From entrepreneurship to research, from technology to the arts, and possibilities are endless. I encourage you to explore your passion, to innovate, and to take calculated risks. As you navigate the exploits of the modern world, I urge you to remain rooted in your cultural heritage. Hindu culture, values, and civilization are rich and diverse, offering valuable lessons in resilience, adaptability, and community. Remember the values of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, embody the principles of compassion, empathy, and kindness. Draw inspiration from the rich history and mythology of our great nation. Tripura has a unique history shaped by the contributions of countless individuals and communities. I encourage you to explore this history, to learn from the triumphs and challenges of those who came before you. By understanding Tripura state's history, you will gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of your community. You will be better equipped to navigate the challenges of the present and to build a brighter future. I urge you to remain curious, to stay open-minded, and to be willing to learn. Remember that your education is not merely about acquiring knowledge, but also about developing the skills, values, and character that will serve you well throughout your life. As you embark on this exciting journey, I offer you my best wishes. May you remain true to your roots. May you stay committed to your values, and may you achieve greatness in all that you do. Thank you. I once again congratulate Fatik Roy Class 12 School on this remarkable achievements. May this institution continue to flourish, and may its students, faculty, and alumni remains forever committed to the pursuit of knowledge, wisdom, and excellence.